Is your iPhone camera showing a black screen or not working properly? You open the camera app, and instead of seeing what's in front of you, all you get is a blank black screen? Well, I have several solutions for you, so make sure to watch this video until the end to fix your camera issue. The most common cause of this problem is a software glitch, and the good news is that these can usually be fixed pretty easily. Sometimes your iPhone's camera app can freeze or encounter temporary bugs. So let's start with the simplest fix first, which is to force close the camera app completely. To do this, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle to bring up the app switcher. Find the camera app and swipe it upward to completely close it. This forces the app to shut down entirely, not just minimize to the background. Now wait a few seconds, then open the camera app again and see if that fixed the black screen issue. Now if closing the app didn't solve the problem, the next step is to restart your entire iPhone. This clears out temporary system files and gives your iPhone a fresh start. To restart your iPhone, press the volume up button once, then the volume down button once, then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appear. Once your iPhone turns back on, open the camera app and check if the problem is resolved. Alright, so if you're still seeing that black screen after restarting, we need to check your iPhone's privacy settings, because sometimes the camera gets accidentally restricted. Go to your Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Now tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it's enabled for you, then hop over to this Allowed Apps and Features section, and you're going to see the camera app on the list of these apps. If the camera option is disabled, then this may be the reason on why you're seeing a black screen when you open the camera. So just enable the camera on this list, and then restart the camera app and check if this fixed your problem. While we're talking about things that might be blocking your camera, here's something a lot of people overlook. Your camera lens might actually be dirty or covered with smudges. Take a soft, clean microfiber cloth and gently wipe your camera lens in a circular motion. Make sure you clean both your front and back camera lenses, then test it again. You'd be surprised how often this simple fix solves the issue. If you've tried all of that and nothing's worked so far, here's a quick trick. Try toggling airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center, tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on, wait about 10 seconds, then tap it again to turn it off. This forces your system to refresh and can sometimes resolve conflicts affecting your camera. Now check your camera again, okay? If we're still dealing with the black screen at this point, it's time to check if your iOS software needs an update. Apple frequently releases updates that fix bugs and camera issues. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. A lot of camera problems get resolved simply by updating to the latest version of iOS. Now, if updating didn't help, we can try resetting camera-specific settings. Go to Settings, scroll down to Camera, and find Preserve Settings. Try turning off all the toggles here, then test your camera. Sometimes saved preferences can conflict with how the app functions. If none of the previous fixes worked, we'll need to reset all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete any of your photos, apps, or personal data. Go to Settings, tap General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and select Reset All Settings. You'll need to enter your passcode. This will reset things like your Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper, but it's really effective at fixing stubborn camera issues. Now, if you've gone through every single one of these solutions, and your camera is still showing a black screen, then unfortunately we're likely dealing with a hardware problem. This means there's probably a physical issue with the camera module itself. In that case, you'll need to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store to get it properly diagnosed and repaired. But in most cases, one of these solutions should fix the black screen issue. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tutorials.